My name is Denise. I've been a patient with Dr. Ray's for at least 12 years. I originally started because I got introduced to them when our principal brought them in to do an evaluation and some discussion with the teachers. And then so found out that two of my teachers were actually coming here as patients. And that just really got me started. And then when I got in a car accident and had whiplash, I knew who to come to. It made a huge difference in my life. I was really bad off. And then after we took a look at some of the x-rays and things like that, there was a lot of other nerves that understood what I was feeling in my body. And so that really made a difference because I started to understand and get educated, which is one of the things that Dr. Ray does well, is he doesn't always just fix you. He always tells you what it's connected to and then what you could do to help yourself. I really enjoy being a patient at Dr. Ray's. I would encourage you to come to see Dr. Ray because his staff are amazing. They take good care of you. They teach you what you need to, along with some of the supplements that you may or may not need, have been great. So thank you.